What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Blue Garage. It's been over 2 months since my last video. As you see behind me, I have 2 vehicles now. I've had Big Blue as part of the channel, and I am adding my Camaro that has been with me since August of 2019, but has been in storage basically that whole time. So I'm happy to have her back, and that's what I'm going to show you today. A little bit about what is done to the car already. It's basically, for the most part, stock, but talk a little bit about what I am going to do as well. So let me take you around, a little walk around, show you what this car is made of. So as you see, does need clean, that's on me, but it's a 2002 35th anniversary, 4th generation Camaro Z28 SS. Does have the LS1 engine in it, which I love. Sounds beautiful, rides beautiful, and you know, there's a lot more to come with this thing that I am looking forward to. As you see, the car is in great shape. There are a few things that I do need to correct and fix, which I will cover. But overall, I believe this car looks phenomenal, guys. Get in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Now let's show you guys what's all done to it. All right, so coming into the interior, completely stock. Whenever I got this car, found it in Rochester, New York. Drove all the way from Michigan, where we were at the time, to pick her up. Traded in my Harley. Had a scary incident where I was almost run off the highway in Michigan by an angry driver that did not like bikers. And I said, no, that's enough. This is safer. Let's go with a muscle car instead. So getting into the car itself has just over 48,000 miles. Let me start her up for you so you can hear it. 48,340. Listen to that. Now get to what's underneath the hood and the exhaust as well. So 35th anniversary. As you see here, there's a couple autographs. Not anything that I've gotten done since I've owned the car. The previous owner got these signatures. The top one is a NASCAR driver, Gary Bettenhausen or Hausen. Correct me if I'm wrong. I apologize. I'm not a big NASCAR guy, and I'm sorry if I messed up the pronunciation. And then Ward Burton, I believe, is the autograph on the bottom. To be honest, guys, I'm looking to replace that airbag panel and just go with the black. So I might just sell that panel. If anybody is interested, let me know. Do have the 6-speed. Gonna throw a Hurst short throw shifter on here eventually. Got the T-tops up top. Here, let me show you that. Got the T-tops functional, working. They just disconnect. One little lever, which is nice. And then I got these visors. They aren't made, they don't come with the car stock. Something I got is a nice little feature. Little plastic film that slides up there. So if I wanted, I could ride without them. As you see, that's what it looks like with them. But here in sunny Texas, I think it's necessary to protect my interior with those and keep the leather nice and new without cracking. So as you hear, this exhaust back here sounds amazing. Let me set you up here and you guys can listen as I give it a few revs. love it. Love it, love it. So the exhausts that are on here are the hooks. The exhaust is 3-inch pipes all the way back, along with the long tube headers on there. Let's go under the hood. Now coming under the hood, from what I know, all I know that's done to this car so far, and I'll find out more as we progress through working on this, are the long tube headers from Cook's. So I need to get that fixed, and I'm going to show you that underneath along with the exhaust. Over here we have David Hamburger's signature. If you're familiar with SLP, now SVP, they specialize in custom parts for the Camaros, Firebirds, and Trans Ams. So he signed it. Looks like Indy of 2008. I got this covered too. I'm looking at getting this replaced with something a little more tame. Right now that's too flashy for my liking, but I'm gonna get it all cleaned up under here, do a lot of color matching and everything down the road. I might end up getting the vehicle wrapped. That's something in the works. Whether or not I go that route is yet to be seen. I got to replace all the yellow lighting because we do have the halogen lights on now. I know Chris from Trail Bus Mafia, Missouri, he commented and he already took note of the yellow lights, both the yellow fogs, yellow headlights, yellow reflectors, turn signals, everything already on this car. Trust me, I'm gonna go with Lost Fit on all of that and get that replaced and make it stand out, guys. It'll look good once I'm done. But let me show you this underneath. Look how low that exhaust sits. Just inches, maybe 2 inches above the ground. The exhaust itself doesn't scrape, but the bolts underneath do. So what I need to do is get that fixed. I might end up throwing a whole new kit on the back. As you see, it hangs way too low underneath there for my liking. There are a little bit of vibrations every once in a while that you hear, but you can see right there is where the screws hang lower than the exhaust, and those scrape from time to time. So I've got to get that fixed. So that's it, guys. Real quick, easy video. I'm glad to be back. I'm excited to start working on the Camaro. I'm not going to ruin it. I know I took a poll on Instagram already, so if you follow me on there, you already know whether I'm going to make this a one-of-one vehicle or keep it stock, the 2002 35th anniversary. I think I'm going to do a nice little combination of both. You guys do want to see a little bit of the one-of-one. I have big plans under the hood for that. We'll get there eventually. There's a lot of small details I want to do to modernize this vehicle, make it, you know, with today's technology. I want to make it, or get it up to par with where my truck is at and have some of those nice features. So I've got some work ahead of me. As you see, Big Blue standing tall, looking good. I have run into some issues now. I know I had mentioned it in the past that I was not rubbing. I don't know if I hit something in Colorado or what, but I just started rubbing down there ever so slightly on this little lip that hangs down there. So I'm just gonna have to clip that off. I'll let you know how that works out and if it rubs anymore. But up until now, don't know what I've been doing differently. I haven't had any issues with rubbing, so it's something I need to work out and I'll be all set. So quick video today, guys. I'm glad to be back. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to all of you guys. I'm in sunny San Antonio. I think it's mid 50s right now. Living it up. Hopefully you guys are doing well in the cold up north. I'm not missing that this year up in Michigan, but again, Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you guys will like and subscribe to this video for more on both the Camaro, which I need to come up with a name for, and Big Blue. So take care, guys. I'll see you next time.